Good morning, students. We discussed in previous lecture chapter first logic. In this lectures, we studied about two topics. First topic is sentence converted into statement, and second topic, what is meant by compound statement. What is meant by compound statement and logical connectivities. Logical connectivities. These are the two topics which are studied in previous lectures. Okay. Now topic third. Topic third is truth tables. Truth tables for compound statements. Compound statements with logical connectivity. With logical connectivities. Now, we discuss about the truth tables for compound statements with logical connectivities. Okay. First part is conjunction. It is a logical name. It is a conjunction. It is a logical name which is used for and. Is used for and symbol is. Its symbol is. It is a symbol of and. It is a conjunction. Its logical connectivity is and. Its symbol is. Downward V. Downward V. Okay. Now, truth tables. Truth tables for compound statements with logical connectivities. That means it is the output of various cases. It is the output of various cases according to logical connectivities. Therefore, the cases are: if we start the first statement with symbol P, second statement with symbol Q, and its compound statement is denoted with logical connectivity and. It is a P and Q. It is a P and Q. The cases for these two statements is similar as tossing of two coins. Tossing of two coins. In 10th, we study that if there is only one coin, there are possibilities are tail and head. With two coins, there are possibilities TT, TH, ST and HH. It is a possibility for two coins. Similarly for three coins, which can be studied in 10. They have 8 possibilities. TTT in similar manner. HH. Okay. We know that the possibility for one point, tail and head, for two coins, tail, head, tail, lastly head, or three coins, TTT up to HH. Similarly, for the statements, there are two statements because it is a compound statement, and in which P and Q is used with symbol and. Therefore, possibilities according to two coins, tail, head, tail, and head. This tail is replaced by true and H is replaced by false. Therefore, possibilities are TT. Possibilities are TT, TF, TF, FT, and FF. It is a truth table for conjunction and with symbol. Okay. And we know that if the logical connectivity and is used, we know that the meaning of and. When the and word is used, the possibilities for or the importance of both simple statements are required. If in any cases between two statements, if you use and, then we know that the first statement and second statement are both important. Therefore, by using conjunction and, if there is both possibilities are true, then it is true. Otherwise, it is false. In any cases, both are true. Therefore, it is true. In any cases, first is true, second is false. Therefore, it is false. Therefore, it is a false. False, true, it is a false. Lastly, false, it is a false. Therefore, in simple manner, in which it is a conjunction with logical connectivity and importance for both P and Q. If both are true, then it is true. In any cases, one is F, it is a F. Therefore, it is a criteria. Therefore, it is a criteria for conjunction. We highlight it. The criteria is if both are true, then it is true. Otherwise, F. It is a criteria. Both are true, then it is true. Otherwise, F. Okay. Similar manner, we discuss about disjunction. It is a or and its symbol is V. In similar manner, first statement is P, second statement is Q, and last symbol is P or Q. Possibilities are same: TT, TF, FT, FF. But disjunction means logical connectivity is or. We know that the meaning of or. Or is used if one of them is, if compound statement is formed by two simple statements, but by using or, the case is one of the simple statement is important. One of them, not both. If one is true, then it is sufficient. It is sufficient. If other is false, then in possibility, if first is a true, second is a true, then it is true. First is a true or second is a false. In this case, one case is true, one case is here, but it is or. First is a true, therefore it is a true. First is a false, second is a true. One of them is true, therefore it is a true. But in last case, both are false. Both are false. Therefore it is a false. Criteria is one of them is a true. There is a possibility or. There is possibility or. We know that or is used. We discuss about some example. If we give the instruction to the students, tomorrow bring your notebook and book. If we give instruction to the students, tomorrow please bring your book and notebook. Therefore, book and notebook means both are compulsory. Both are compulsory. But in case I give instruction to the students, please bring your book or notebook. Then or gives your choices. Your choices. Because or gives that one of them is important. Therefore, in conditions, in one case, if one case containing true, then it is true. Here both are true, therefore it is a true. Here first is a true, second is a false, therefore it is a true. False, true, it is a true. But last case, both are false, then it is a false. Because one of the case is true, then it's true. But in last case, both are F, therefore it is a F. Therefore, criteria is F or F. It is a F. F or F. It is a F. Otherwise, criteria is, what is the specification of the truth table? In last truth table for and, for conjunction, T and T, it is a T. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. This criteria gives that whole truth table. This criteria gives that whole truth table, because if we have in which case there is a different nature of the truth table is given, then other natures is given by otherwise. Therefore, T and T, it is a T, otherwise F. And in a disjunction, F or F, it is a F, otherwise T. Okay. Other truth tables, they are the conditional, that means implication. Biconditional, it is a double implication, or negation. We studied in this lecture. Thank you.